How to change announcement bar color in Shopify. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments or just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out as well. So it's actually super easy to do this, and I'm going to show you guys right away, because all you need to do is first of all click on your online store, and here we need to click on customize. Now, once you are here in customize at the top, we can already see the announcement bar. And what I'm going to do is simply click on here. Here on the right, we can already see the color scheme over here. And what we simply can do is click on edit. And the announcement bar uses the background color over here. And what we can do is change this to our liking. So let's say I were to change this to blue, then I have now changed it. But as you can see, not only the announcement bar changes, because this is a color scheme we're currently using, and the background over here, the header, uses the same color scheme as you can see. If you need Shopify, but you're not sure yet, or you're already enjoying Shopify, or you know somebody that needs Shopify, what you can do is bring your ideas to life for €1 per month. So what you can do is go to the link in the description or the pinned comment under this YouTube video, and sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for €1. So grab the deal now before it is gone, and yeah, good luck with your store. So in order to change this for the better is once again go back to the announcement bar, change the background just back to white. Now the header is the same as well, and what we can do now is change the color scheme to a different color scheme. So I'm simply going to select the second one. Now we can see that it turned a little bit more gray. Now we can click on edit. Now we can click on the background, and now we can choose our color. And now we can see that only the announcement bar has changed, but not this actual background, because the header, because the header uses the color scheme 1, and now the announcement bar uses color scheme 2. So that is a way to change your announcement bar color. So without actually changing your whole, store up. But yeah, that's how to change the announcement bar color on Shopify.